Hello everyone, welcome back Shaka channel Charlie Translation. Lada pimpat subscribe ya kanega channel singa bahas subscribe no unta. In English, I am happy. In Khasi, nga kemen. I am happy. Nga kemen. Kenmau, I am happy kemud nga kemen. Remember, in English, happy. In Hindi, bakmen. Happy mean bakmen haga khasi. In English, she pray in every morning. In Khasi, kaduai haman lagapor step. She pray in every morning. Kaduai haman la kapor step. She pray in every morning. Kaduai haman la kapor step. In English, pray. In Khasi, duai. Prayer kijing duai. Pray duai. Prayer kemud kijing duai. In English, his dog barks loudly. In Khasi, ukseu jong uviar jam. His dog barks loudly kemud ukseu jong uviar jam. In English, sometimes my dog barks in the middle of the night. In Khasi, don kipor ukseu nga uviar sitang miet. Sometimes my dog barks in the middle of the night. Don kipor ukseu nga uviar sitang miet. Remember, sometime my dog barks in the middle of the night means don kipor ukseu nga uviar sitang miet. In English, barks. In Khasi, viar. Remember, barks means viar. In English, loudly. In Khasi, jam. Kenmau, loudly mean jam haka khasi. In English, middle. In Khasi, ha shiteng. Remember, middle kamud hashiteng haka khasi. In English, my school starts at 8 a.m. In Khasi, kaskul jonga kasdang hakapor prabaji. My school starts at 8 a.m. Kaskul jonga kasdang hakapor prabaji. Kenmau, starts kamud sedang. In English, starts. In Khasi, sedang. In English, we always eat dinner together. In Khasi, ngi barbor ngi juba meat rengkat. We always eat dinner together. Ngi barbor ngi juba meat rengkat. Remember, we always eat dinner together means ngi barbor ngi juba meat rengkat. In English, dinner. In Khasi, kabam meat. Dinner mean kaba meat. In English, together. In Khasi, rengkat. Remember, together mean rengkat. In English, always. In Khasi, barabor. Remember, always mean barabor. In English, he doesn't like vegetables. In Khasi, umjuman jhur. He doesn't like vegetables. Umju manjhur. Remember, he doesn't like vegetables. Kamun umju manjhur. In English, doesn't. In Khasi, umju for male and kamju for female. In English, I don't want anything to drink. In Khasi, ngam kwa bandi. I don't want anything to drink. kamut ngam kwa bandi. Kenmau haka English I don't want anything to drink kamut ngam kwa bandi haka khasi. In English I don't want. In khasi ngam kwa. Remember, I don't want kamut ngam kwa haka khasi. In English want. In khasi kwa. Kenmau want mean kwa haka khasi. In English drink. In khasi di lane jingdi. Kenmau drink mean di lane jingdi haka khasi. In English anything. In khasi ai. Remember, anything mean haka khasi. In English, those kids don't speak English. In khasi kitu kikhon kim kran pharang. Those kids don't speak English. Kitu kikhon kim kran pharang. In English, Mary tried to protect her kids. In khasi, Mary kapersang banyada yakikhon jongka. Mary tried to protect her kids. Kamut Mary kapersang banyada yakikhon jongka. Remember, Mary tried to protect her kids. Kamut Mary kapersang banyada yakikhon jongka. In English, tried. In khasi persang. Remember, tried kamut persang haka khasi. In English, protect. In khasi yada. Protect yada. Remember, protect mean yada haka khasi. In English, I went to the store. In khasi ngayait shadukan. Remember, I went to the store kamut ngayait shadukan. In English, I went to the store. In khasi ngayait shadukan. In English, store. In khasi dukan. Remember, store mean dukan in khasi. In English, the store will be closed tomorrow. In khasi, kadukan kakhang lashai. Kenmau, haka English, the store will be closed tomorrow means kadukan kakhang lashai in khasi. In English, close. In khasi, khang. Remember, close mean khang in khasi. Close, khang. In English, open. In khasi, play. Open, play. Remember, open mean play in khasi. In English, talk. In khasi, yakran. Talk, yakran. Kenmau, haka English, talk. Haka khasi, yakran. In English, hours. In khasi, kenta. Hours, kenta. Remember, hours means kenta in khasi. In English, we talk for hours. In khasi, ngiyakran daki kenta. We talk for hours. Ngiyakran daki kenta. Remember, we talk for hours mean ngiyakran daki kenta in khasi. We talk for hours. Ngiyakran daki kenta. So hello everyone, thank you for watching till the end of this video. Tayak bamta tangkan nehi in segundo Sakawei part ka video Sakawei part ka por. Tayak bamta sengam like but share ya kani ka video but kumjoro subscribe ya kani ka channel nak banta ki videos ki wan sawan ha kani ka channel. So take care of yourself and keep on learning.